evaluating the problem of downtown vibrancy, our team determined that due to an increase of people working from home during COVID-19, the migration of employees led to a sudden and large volume decrease of daily commuters, negatively affecting downtown vibrancy even today. With conversation of some downtown stakeholders, we were able to uncover a recommendation that the City of Edmonton could implement in order to reintroduce vibrancy to the city's core. We call it the Edmonton Workplace Revitalization Plan, with a focus on bringing the majority of downtown employees back to the offices they worked in prior to the pandemic. With our plan, we intend to join forces with employers to create a relationship that will benefit both the company as well as the city center. My name is Josh Ogilvie.
In order to understand Edmonton's downtown area and solve its problems, we must focus on how Edmonton utilizes its downtown space. What do I mean by this? 61% of Edmonton's downtown is office space. 20% of that is vacant office space. In order to solve its problems, we must structure a solution around these key points.
My name is Chengwei Jia. Everybody call me CJ. Today I'm going to bring the alternatives for our group. So the first alternative is to use the property tax to make people feel worth, and it will attract more people come to downtown and living. The second is we'll use some vacant office building. Like I know there's a lot of business buildings that are empty. We can make reusing those, turn into a suitable living apartment, and that will also attract a lot of people to come to downtown and make it downtown thrive again.
Hey, and I'm Steeve Sajeev. For recommendations, we believe that incentivizing businesses to have a minimum 80% capacity of employees working in person would help develop a more vibrant downtown. The proposal is to allow a certain percentage of property tax cuts or leasing aid depending on how many employees the business can bring back to its downtown offices. Downtown employers and employees are the main target for this proposition. The efforts of employers giving some sort of incentive to their employees to come back to in-person work so they can reduce their operational cost is a win-win for both sides of the company. If the business is situated in a very friendly area with multiple smaller businesses surrounding it, it helps to create a safe space and a welcoming environment. It also gives the employees and employers newer opportunities to discover what downtown has to offer. This will aid in smaller businesses getting more attraction, which will help their businesses to flourish, and the cycle continues. This will cause an increase in the future development of downtown Edmonton as a more inviting and entertaining place. Downtown is a vastly diverse area with many businesses across its entirety. We believe a slow to exponential administration of the plan would help the city as soon as possible with little to no repercussions. We believe planning should start as soon as right now and initiate the slow start beginning in the new year. Businesses can attribute the initiation to a new year business plan, and it would help both sides of the company. Businesses will be under a 2-year contract which outlines their possible property tax or leasing cuts depending on the foot traffic they can bring in.
With the problem of downtown vibrancy becoming more and more apparent, now is the time to act on it. With the knowledge at hand and a clear recommendation of having 80% of the workforce back in office contributing to a more abundant downtown, there is no excuse not to establish a vibrant downtown core.